Welcome back to Coin Spyder, the channel where every coin tells a story, and every story is a treasure waiting to be uncovered. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Malaysian currency, exploring a small yet captivating piece of history, the 1990 Malaysian 20-cent coin. But wait, don't let its size fool you. This little coin holds more cultural charm, historical depth, and hidden value than you might ever imagine. By the time we're done, you'll see why collectors hunt for it, why history lovers adore it, and why even casual viewers might just end up falling in love with it. I promise you, this is not going to be just another coin facts video. This is a journey, one that will make you appreciate the artistry, tradition, and national pride stamped into a single piece of metal. So, sit back, stay with me till the very end, and let Coin Spyder guide you through the story of the 1990 Malaysian 20-cent coin like you've never heard it before. First impressions. At first glance, the 1990 Malaysian 20-cent coin may seem like just another piece of loose change, but when you really look at it, you'll notice the fine details that make it stand out. The coin has a diameter of 23.6 millimeters and is made of copper nickel, giving it a solid, slightly silvery appearance that catches the light beautifully. The obverse side features the hibiscus flower, Malaysia's national flower, proudly displayed in the center, surrounded by the words Bank Negara, Malaysia, and the year of minting, 1990. The bold 20 sen sits below, making the denomination clear. It's a design that balances elegance with practicality, something that coin collectors and design enthusiasts often admire. Even in circulation wear, the beauty of the engraving remains noticeable. The hibiscus symbol. The hibiscus is not just a decorative element on this coin. It's a national emblem deeply rooted in Malaysian identity. Known locally as Bunga Raya, the Hibiscus Rosa sinensis was declared the national flower in 1960, symbolizing unity and the nation's multicultural harmony. On the coin, the hibiscus appears in full bloom, its 5 petals representing the 5 principles of the Rukun Negara. Malaysia's national philosophy. The leaves and petals are engraved with remarkable detail, making it more than just a symbol. It's a reminder of the country's pride and heritage. For collectors outside Malaysia, this flower often sparks curiosity, leading them to learn more about the nation's culture and traditions. Reverse design and cultural story. Turning the coin over, the reverse design immediately catches your eye with a beautifully detailed traditional food basket. This image represents Malaysia's rich cultural heritage, with a variety of local delicacies placed inside. The basket is drawn with intricate geometric patterns, reflecting traditional craftsmanship. Next to it, you'll spot chopsticks and a spoon, subtle yet meaningful symbols that represent the country's diverse food culture, influenced by Malay, Chinese, and Indian traditions. It's not just a pretty picture. It's a story of everyday Malaysian life, celebrating the joy of sharing meals and cultural unity through food. Designer and artistic vision. The second series, Malaysian coins, including the 1990 20 sen, were designed under the guidance of Ismail Ibrahim, a talented designer who worked for Bank Negara Malaysia. His vision was to create coins that not only functioned as currency, but also as cultural ambassadors. The choice of the food basket was intentional. It was meant to be relatable to all Malaysians, no matter their background, while showcasing something distinctly local to the world. The engraving work is precise, with clean lines that stand the test of time even after decades of circulation. Historical context. To understand this coin fully, we need to step back to the late 1980s and early 1990s in Malaysia. The nation was experiencing rapid economic growth, modernizing its industries, and opening up to global trade. The introduction of the second coin series in 1989 symbolized progress while maintaining strong ties to tradition. The 1990 20 sen coin sits at the heart of this transitional period. It's a bridge between old-world charm and a rapidly developing modern economy. Every time this coin changed hands back then, it was part of a bigger story of national transformation. Technical specifications. From a numismatic perspective, the 1990 Malaysian 20 sen coin is a piece of technical precision. Made from a copper-nickel alloy, it weighs 5.66 grams and measures 23.6 millimeters in diameter with a reeded edge. The alloy ensures durability, which is why many coins from this year still retain their details despite years of use. The reeded edge, aside from being a classic coin feature, also helps deter counterfeiting. These specifications make it easy for collectors to authenticate a coin without advanced tools. Weight, diameter, and edge design are the first checkpoints. Circulation and longevity. This coin was part of Malaysia's everyday currency for over 2 decades before being gradually replaced by the third series coins introduced in 2012. The fact that it remained in active circulation for so long speaks to both its durability and its popularity. People grew accustomed to its weight and feel in their pockets, making it a familiar companion in daily transactions. Even today, finding one in good condition can spark a wave of nostalgia for many Malaysians, reminding them of childhood memories, family meals, and simple times. Collectability and value. In terms of value, most 1990 Malaysian 20-sen coins are still common, especially in circulated condition. However, uncirculated or proof-like examples are more sought after and can fetch a higher price among collectors. The coin's value isn't just monetary, it's sentimental for many. Collectors who focus on Southeast Asian currency often include it in their sets because of its design and historical context. While it might not make you rich overnight, it's an accessible entry point for beginner coin collectors and a charming addition to any collection. Rarity factors. Although the 1990 mintage is not considered rare overall, certain factors can make specific pieces more collectible. Errors such as off-center strikes, double dies, or planche flaws can significantly increase a coin's desirability and market price. Coins with minimal wear, strong luster, and sharp details are also prized. For serious collectors, the hunt for the perfect 1990 20-sen is as much about the thrill of discovery as it is about the coin itself. That's the magic of numismatics. Even a common coin can have rare and valuable variations. Cultural and educational value. Beyond collecting, coins like the 1990 Malaysian 20-sen serve as cultural teaching tools. They can spark discussions in classrooms about national identity, economics, and art. Teachers often use such coins to make history lessons tangible. Students can hold a piece of the past in their hands while learning about the era it came from. Museums and exhibitions sometimes feature these coins in displays about Malaysian heritage, allowing both locals and tourists to appreciate their significance beyond just monetary worth. The 1990 Malaysian 20-sen coin is more than just metal. It's a miniature time capsule carrying stories of national pride, artistic beauty, and everyday life. From the hibiscus on its obverse to the food basket on its reverse, it captures the essence of Malaysia in a way that is both simple and profound. Whether you're a coin collector, a history enthusiast, or just someone who stumbled upon this coin in your change, there's something here for you. So next time you see one, take a moment to really look at it, because behind its small size lies a world of history and culture waiting to be discovered. And here at Spyder, we'll always be ready to help you unlock those stories, one coin at a time.